Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Coming here with another cool product. This is the datAshur Pro. You can go to iStorage-uk.com, and this is a specialized USB 3.0 flash drive that has all sorts of extra capabilities up to 64 gigabytes, and basically makes it so that you can have a USB drive where you can put in AES 256-bit hardware encryption with no software required. It's OS and platform independent, and it's IP57 certified for water and dust resistance. It's basically a bootable drive that you can take and use, or USB drive if you just want to use it as a normal USB, but it's encrypted, so it's got a nice keypad on it, so you can take and create your own code for your keypads, for your numeric passwords, if you will, to be able to unlock this thing and get into it and keep all your USB stuff safe, if you will. And it's got FIPS 140-2 level 3 validated. It's NLN CSA certified. It's also FIPS Pub 197 certified, and it's got a whole mess of different certifications and partner and stuff that they have on this thing, where it can work with a lot of different people to make sure that you're getting a great product, and also it's incredibly secure. So you can configure it to use with independent user and admin pins, which is great for corporate and government deployment. And the pin drive can be unlocked using an admin pin if someone forgets their thing, which is really cool. They've done a lot of brilliant stuff to this. You basically enter your pin number, you plug it in and play, and you unplug it. It will automatically lock itself, and away you go. This thing's pretty darn brilliant, and will take and protect your data, if you will. So go to iStorage-uk.com and check out the datAshur Pro. This thing's pretty brilliant what they put into this, and very impressive. I liked it, and I think you will too. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.
Oh my gosh, look what's in this box. I'd love to show you, but first you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh, wow, that's pretty. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way. Got to find out what's in the box.